Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the junction capacitance of a diode. To understand the junction capacitance, let us draw the block diagram of a PN junction diode with the acceptor ion and the donor ion. So, it is a diode and this is the junction of the diode and this is the P side and the N side of the diode. So, this is the metal contact on the N type and this is the metal contact on the P type, and hence there will be a depletion region in the N type and P type both. So, in the depletion region of the N side there will be plus donor ions and there will be acceptor negative ions on the P side depletion region. Now, we can see that there are some positive and negative ions has been accumulated near the junction, and this point is the junction. Now, in PN junction diode, depletion layer, that is this one, this is the depletion layer, can act as a parallel plate capacitor. That is, if we take this metal connection, then we can see that between the two metal plate, if we draw the 3D diagram, it will look like this. If we draw the 3D diagram, it will look like this. So, this is the metal plate and this is also the metal plate. So, we can look this diode as a parallel plate capacitor where these charges are accumulated in between the two metal plates. Hence, it will give an equivalent capacitance, and that capacitance value is the junction capacitance. And if the area of this cross section is capital A and the width of the depletion layer is W, then we can say that the junction capacitance Cj will be epsilon A by W according to the parallel plate capacitor capacitance definition. Now, this epsilon is the permittivity of the material by which the diode has been fabricated. So, we can write that epsilon 0 and epsilon r into A divided by W, where epsilon 0 is the absolute permittivity of the material and epsilon r is the relative permittivity of the material. So, this junction capacitance will have a typical value of picofarad, means 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Now, this junction capacitance will be developed in the both of the bias, that is the forward bias and the reverse bias, and depending on that the junction capacitance can be classified into two groups. The first one is the transition capacitance Ct, and the next one is the diffusion capacitance. And next one is the diffusion capacitance CD. So, this is all about the junction capacitance of a diode. Thank you.